Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Freetown local, and long-distance movers near me. Moving short distances may appear easy, but it isn't. It's pretty similar to long distance and takes lots of planning and effort. In the long run, you might cause extensive damage to your properties. That is why you need to hire Freetown local TM movers. Our professionals are more than capable of handling every packing process with suitable types of equipment. Here at 3 Movers, we use packing boxes, cranes, lifting blankets, and more. We also use cushion tapes for fragile goods, so you don't have to worry about damage during transit. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Freetown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.